People right here.
Yeah, I see. Oh.
And to our right.
Players. Real players.
So it's him. Like you. I just can't.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna come
Thank
on my
you.
bench. Oh, no,
Over here.
no. No, he did not do that. No, he did not do that. Oh my god.
I got a heal right now.
No. I'm gonna die. Orange, save me.
I can't right now. I got a heal. If I step over it, I'm dead.
Oh man, I'm dead.
He's gonna try to get you.
Trouble.
Probably.
Hold up. I fucking held it.
You were great. Said don't regret it.
There was a guy who
Shut up.
Oh, Orange can't bring a gun for me.
If I can. Because these are terrible shots right now. Yes. I have a gold one.
I'm good.
Probably be
Nikki, did I care about you? I'm about to get this third fish for you.
if you want.
Nope, sorry, I need it.
It's fine, I understand. But
sniping up there.
carry a gun?
Nikki, I'm not sure who can even reboot you.
Your skin. I mark it for you. It's in a circle. You're fine.
I hope you can stay alive long enough.
Just
I
use
can
it.
get them.
You don't need to keep breaking. You just use your builds and then break
Yeah,
yourself.
I want material to get over there as well.
I thought it was on that, but it's easier to do that. If you're out of brick and then out of first and that. Oh, okay, good. You're doing good. Don't tell me they're idle guards. Oh, they're dead. Good.
Did you get?
Let's roll. Man, you complete my challenge. Oh, I already completed it already. Thank you very much.
Completed what?
My legendary quest. That was like 1 day to complete it. And now I did.
There's a blue pistol in there.
Yeah,
Here.
Damn, I was coming right up behind him.
Got some ammo.
No,
Oh boy.
I didn't even know.
AR, SMG.
Hey, there's one more squad.
That's a lot of stuff you have over there. Oh, I see you got over there.
Oh, she needs it. But I got 2 starfishes. Oh, hey, buddy. Ooh. Get him.
I'm gonna die. I don't have to heal.
3 more.
Yeah, now you come over here right now. Oh. You come over here right now.
Right here.
I'm dead. Ooh. Nikki with the clutch.
Yes, it did. Squirrel! 3 times in a row.
Squirrel!
Shut up.
Alright, we're in the lobby.
Dun.
Yes.